Hello, in this latest episode, we will talk about new DJI Neo drone. The DJI Neo is its lightest and smallest drone to date. Without the need for a remote controller, take off and land on your palm with ease. Then, capture cinematic footage that puts you front and center. Take in the amazing sights both inside and outside while you soar, and don't forget to take a group shot with everyone. With DJI Neo, experience life from a new angle. From your palm, the DJI Neo takes off and settles with grace. Without a remote controller, just click the mode button on Neo, choose your favorite shooting mode, and let it take care of the rest to record amazing footage. Neo keeps up as your personal videographer and makes sure you are always in the spotlight. Whether you are riding a bike, skating, or trekking, Neo's AI algorithms allow it to track the subject within the frame, making it simple to put up interesting follow shots. All it takes is a single tap to have DJI Neo start recording for you. With its 6 intelligent shooting modes, the DJI Neo can capture dynamic angles that will enhance your artistic footage. DJI Neo is a little strong drone that flies with style. It can be coupled with the DJI Fly app, remote controllers, RC motion, DJI goggles, and more for enhanced flight and camera control in addition to supporting controller-free aerial filmmaking. DJI Neo eliminates the need for a separate remote controller by enabling Wi-Fi connectivity to smartphones. Neo can be controlled up to 50 meters away using virtual joysticks on the DJI Fly app interface. The DJI Neo is capable of filming films at various resolutions and frame speeds. It can also produce 4K per 30 FPS rocksteady, horizon balancing videos, which preserve detail in both highlight and shadow regions. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.